A state panel is now considering whether former President Trump can appear on the Massachusetts ballot. WBZ's Beth Germano is live at the State House, where, Beth, the biggest question seems to be who can make this decision.
Well, before they get to the meat of the argument, members of the commission say they first have to decide if they have the jurisdiction to decide the issue. A local law firm and members of a civil rights group say this is well within their purview. But supporters of the former president say qualification does not prevent anyone from getting on a primary ballot.
He's already number 5 on the Republican primary ballot in Massachusetts. But is Donald Trump qualified to be there?
We believe that Mr. Trump's candidacy for this office and placement on the Massachusetts ballot violates the Constitution, so we're challenging the constitutionality.
2 groups are before the Massachusetts Ballot Law Commission, saying the members must decide the issue, and are basing their objections on a little-used section of the 14th Amendment that says Mr. Trump engaged in insurrection on January 6, 2021, and can't be president.
Donald John Trump was placed on the ballot at the request of the Massachusetts Republican Party.
A lawyer representing the former president says it's all premature, that Donald Trump has not yet been nominated, arguing that is the legal standard. The state of Colorado has already ruled the former president is constitutionally unqualified and is waiting for the U.S. Supreme Court hearing next month on the issue. These Massachusetts objectors say they need a decision in this state by the end of January and don't know if any high court ruling would be binding here.
Sometimes they rule broadly on an issue, sometimes they address a case very narrowly. For all we know, they may address the case based on intricacies of Colorado law.
The former president has asked the commission to dismiss the challenges altogether, saying it's an issue for Congress to decide. And his supporters say Donald Trump has not been convicted of anything with regard to the storming of the Capitol.
This whole issue is really based on no substantiation that the president was involved in any kind of insurrection. There is no conviction that he's done anything wrong in regards to that.
Now, it's not yet clear when the commission will rule on whether it can decide this issue. In the meantime, the Secretary of State's office says it is going ahead printing ballots with Donald Trump's name on them until it hears otherwise. Reporting live from the State House, I'm Beth Germano, WBZ News.
All right.